Welcome to Spoken Library, where we unlock the secrets to a more prosperous life. Today, we journey back 4,000 years to ancient Mesopotamia to uncover the enduring truths of wealth in George S. Clayson's The Richest Man in Babylon. Though written as parables set in the wealthiest city of the ancient world, the core wisdom remains utterly contemporary. The book's central thesis is that financial success is not a matter of luck or huge income, but a set of practical, timeless habits. The man who holds this wisdom is Arcad, the richest man in Babylon. He teaches us that gold flows naturally to the man who knows the laws that govern its acquisition. Our summary will focus on the 7 cures for a lean purse, the powerful laws that transform a meager income into a stream of lasting wealth. Let us begin with the first and most essential cure. The first 3 cures are the absolute foundation, governing how you relate to your income and your budget. Cure 1. Start thy purse to fattening, the law of 10%. This is the most critical and non-negotiable rule. Save at least 1/10 of all you earn. Arcad teaches that you must pay yourself first. If you earn 10 gold pieces, you must put 1 aside and live off the remaining 9. This money is not for investing yet. It is simply to ensure your purse starts to thicken. When you treat savings as your first, most important expense, you establish the fundamental habit of wealth accumulation. The moment you start doing this, you are on the path to becoming wealthy. Cure 2. Control thy expenditures, the budgeting rule. Many people believe that if they just earned more money, their problems would vanish. Arcad warns that expenses always grow to meet income. He tells us to confuse not necessary expenses with desires. The rule is, budget your spending to ensure you have enough left over for your 10% savings, but also to satisfy your necessary living expenses. Create a clear budget, not just to restrict yourself, but to intentionally direct your money toward the things you truly value, cutting out the rest. Cure 3. Make thy gold multiply, the investment principle. The greatest lesson of Babylon is that saved money must become a worker. Put each gold piece to work so it may reproduce its kind. The principle is that saved gold should be invested wisely to earn interest or rent, creating a secondary stream of income. This is the moment your money starts working harder than you do. The key is finding reliable, low-risk ventures that constantly generate more income, fueling the growth of your capital. The takeaway is your financial destiny is decided by what you do with your money after you earn it. Pay yourself first, control your budget, and put your money to work. The next 4 cures address how to protect your wealth and set yourself up for long-term security. Cure 4. Guard thy treasures from loss, protecting capital. This cure emphasizes the supreme importance of protecting your principal. Do not be tempted by investments that promise impossibly high returns, as these are almost always scams or high-risk ventures that jeopardize your accumulated savings. The rule is, invest only where your principal is safe, where you can reclaim it if necessary, and where you receive a fair rate of interest. Arcad's advice is timeless. Before parting with your treasure, seek advice from men wise in its safekeeping, not from those who are wise only in empty promises. Cure 5. Make of thy dwelling a profitable investment, asset acquisition. This cure encourages owning your own home. Rent is a perpetually draining expense, but paying for a home builds equity, a tangible asset that improves your quality of life and future security. The principle is buy or build a suitable home, and the costs of the mortgage or repayment will often be less than the rent you would pay, while simultaneously creating a valuable, transferable asset. Cure 6. Ensure an income for your future, retirement and security. True wealth is not just about today, it's about providing for your future and old age. The rule is to plan for the future so that your income will continue long after you are no longer able to work. This means investing in long-term assets, purchasing income-generating property, or establishing a small reserve fund that can sustain you in later years. The goal is to build a reliable passive income stream. Cure 7. Increase thy ability to earn. Self-investment. This is the most encouraging cure. You are your greatest asset. Do not mistake learning for a finished task. It must be continuous. The principle is to cultivate your own powers, study, and become more skillful. The person who continually seeks to become better at their craft or trade will always command a higher wage and attract greater opportunities. Diligence, continuous learning, and focused effort are necessary to sustain wealth, not just create it. The Richest Man in Babylon teaches us that the laws of wealth are universal and operate regardless of culture or time. They are not complicated formulas, but simple habits of discipline. Save first, invest safely, and continually improve yourself. The ancient city of Babylon became the richest in the world because its people understood that wealth is a matter of practical application, not luck. Here is your immediate actionable step from Spoken Library today. Apply Cure 1 immediately. Look at your last paycheck. Calculate 10% of that amount. Transfer that money immediately into a savings account that you do not touch for regular expenses. By performing this single act, you immediately initiate the process of becoming the architect of your financial future. Thank you for tuning in to Spoken Library. If this summary inspired you to begin building your own Babylon, please hit that subscribe button and share this episode. Until next time, pay yourself first.